Classic Army Airsoft guns are revered for their authenticity and performance in the world of airsoft. Modeled after real firearms, they offer meticulous attention to detail, replicating the look and feel of their live-fire counterparts. These airsoft guns are known for their reliability and consistency, appealing to both beginners and experienced players. With a wide range of models and styles, Classic Army Airsoft guns provide enthusiasts with an immersive and challenging airsoft experience. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 9. Classic Army M24 Ultra is a precision airsoft sniper rifle designed to excel in long-range battles. This bolt-action rifle features a durable and lightweight nylon fiber stock, making it easy to carry during extended skirmishes. Its one-piece metal outer barrel provides stability and accuracy, while the adjustable hop-up system ensures precise shot placement. The M24 Ultra boasts a magazine with a generous capacity, allowing you to maintain firing efficiency during intense engagements. With its ergonomic design and comfortable grip, it offers the shooter excellent control. Whether you're an experienced airsoft sniper or looking to hone your long-range shooting skills, the Classic Army M24 Ultra combines reliability with precision, delivering an exceptional airsoft experience for those who value accuracy and range on the battlefield. Elevate your airsoft gameplay with this well-crafted and dependable sniper rifle, where precision meets performance. Number 8. Classic Army M132 Micro Gun is a remarkable airsoft innovation, delivering sheer firepower in a compact design. This airsoft micro gun features a robust metal construction and a quad-barrel setup, unleashing a torrent of beeps with every pull of the trigger. The M132 is powered by high-pressure air, issc, ensuring consistent and reliable performance, and its included tank and regulator provide excellent versatility. Equipped with a quick-change spring system and adjustable hop-up, it allows players to adapt to various field conditions and engagements. Number 7. Classic Army 4 is an extraordinary airsoft shotgun that merges power and precision for the ultimate close-quarters combat experience. Designed with a robust metal receiver and barrel, this gas-powered shotgun delivers formidable firepower. The DT4 features a pump-action design, ensuring reliability and authenticity in every shot. With its adjustable hop-up system and multiple inner barrels, it's capable of shooting multiple beeps at once, offering an unrivaled spread pattern. The shotgun includes a high-capacity magazine, providing ample rounds for intense gameplay. Number 6. Classic Army Nemesis is a standout in the world of airsoft, offering high-performance automatic electric guns designed for the discerning player. These rifles are built with durability and precision in mind, featuring robust metal construction for the receiver and key components. The Nemesis series boasts a high-torque motor, quick-change spring system, and programmable electronic control system, X, allowing you to fine-tune your rifle's performance to match various field conditions. With advanced features such as adjustable hop-up, ambidextrous controls, and multiple length options, the Nemesis rifles offer adaptability and accuracy. Whether you're an experienced airsoft player or a tactical enthusiast, the Classic Army Nemesis series combines reliability with innovation, delivering a superior airsoft experience for those who demand exceptional performance and durability on the field. Number 5. Classic Army Rs-312 is a versatile and robust airsoft rifle designed to excel in various gaming scenarios. This automatic electric gun boasts a durable full metal construction, including a metal receiver, barrel assembly, and rail system. The Rs-312 features a high-torque motor and a quick-change spring system, allowing you to adapt your rifle's power output to suit different field requirements. With an adjustable hop-up system, ambidextrous controls, and a 6.03mm tight-bore inner barrel, it offers exceptional accuracy and reliability during skirmishes. Whether you're a seasoned airsoft player or a tactical enthusiast, the Classic Army Rs-312 combines durability with performance, delivering a top-tier airsoft experience for those who value precision and adaptability in various gaming environments. Elevate your airsoft battles with this meticulously crafted rifle, where quality meets versatility. Number 4. Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun is a formidable airsoft shotgun, engineered for intense close-quarters battles. With its sturdy metal and polymer construction, this pump-action shotgun offers exceptional durability and realism. The breacher shotgun features a shorter barrel, making it ideal for maneuvering through tight spaces while maintaining precision. It boasts a magazine-fed design, providing quick and easy reloads, while its adjustable hop-up system enhances accuracy. Whether you're an airsoft enthusiast looking for a powerful and reliable close-quarters battle solution or a player who appreciates the authenticity and power of a shotgun, the Classic Army K870 breacher shotgun combines resilience with precision, delivering a thrilling and immersive airsoft experience for those who value dominance in close-quarter engagements. Elevate your airsoft battles with this meticulously crafted shotgun, where strength meets precision. Number 3. Classic Army 132 Vehicle Mounting Kit is a game-changing addition for airsoft enthusiasts who seek unparalleled firepower and strategic advantage on the battlefield. This kit transforms the fearsome M132 micro gun into a vehicular powerhouse, allowing it to be securely mounted on various platforms. With its sturdy construction and versatile design, it provides a reliable and flexible solution for mounting this mini Gatling gun, whether on a vehicle, a stationary position, or for defensive roles. The M132's high-pressure air system ensures consistent and devastating firepower, making it a potent force multiplier. Whether you're planning to dominate large-scale airsoft games or looking for an imposing presence on the field, the Classic Army 132 Vehicle Mounting Kit combines strength with adaptability, delivering an exhilarating and strategic airsoft experience for those who demand raw firepower and tactical supremacy. Elevate your airsoft tactics with this meticulously crafted mounting kit, where versatility meets intensity. Number 2. Classic Army issc M22 is an exceptional airsoft rifle, meticulously crafted to replicate the real-world issc M22, offering players an authentic and thrilling experience. With a sturdy polymer construction, this automatic electric gun is both lightweight and durable, making it perfect for extended skirmishes. The M22 features ambidextrous controls, a folding stock, and a Picatinny rail system, enhancing adaptability and customization options. Its adjustable hop-up system ensures precise shot placement, while the high-capacity magazine ensures you're ready for sustained firefights. Whether you're a dedicated airsoft enthusiast or a collector seeking an accurate replica, the Classic Army issc M22 combines realism with reliability, delivering an immersive and authentic airsoft experience for those who value authenticity and precision on the field. Elevate your airsoft gameplay with this meticulously crafted rifle, where quality meets authenticity. Number 1. Classic Army Nemesis X9 is a compact yet powerful airsoft submachine gun designed to excel in close-quarters battles. Featuring a robust metal receiver and handguard, this automatic electric gun is built for durability and performance. The X9's short barrel and retractable stock make it maneuverable and perfect for tight spaces, while the unlock rail system provides ample space for accessories. It includes ambidextrous controls, adjustable hop-up, and a quick-change spring system, ensuring adaptability and precision. With a high-capacity magazine and a high-torque motor, it delivers consistent firepower during intense skirmishes.